Hi everyone, my name is Helena and I'm responsible for corporate relations here in ISEC in Ethiopia. I'm also leading two sales teams, one in Addis Ababa University and one in Unity University. And what has been my experience in ISEC in Ethiopia so far? I can say just one word, it was amazing. Like, it's amazing to work with such a great people as you, as Ethiopians, people which are very motivated and dedicated and committed to work for ISEC, to develop themselves and develop their community.
Hey ISEC, my name is Samson Timbani. I'm from ISEC Ghana and I'm currently working in ISEC Ethiopia as International Relations Manager. I've been working here for the past 6 months and it has been a tremendous experience for me. What I do as International Relations Manager is to manage outgoing exchange for ISEC in Ethiopia. Now I'm managing 4 teams in ISEC, in EIABC, in AAIT, and also in Unity University. I'm also managing a team which is facilitating a project between ISEC Ethiopia and ISEC Kenya. So as such, there's a great learning experience I'm delivering to ISEC in Ethiopia. For ISEC in Unity University, I'm coaching Unity University for them to learn how to manage their programs and also to develop a proper ISEC culture. As such, I have a passion to develop ISEC Ethiopia in terms of the people, in terms of external positioning of Ethiopia. And for the coming generations, I think ISEC Ethiopia has a lot to benefit from the ISEC network. And the members of Ethiopia, you as members of ISEC Ethiopia, have the passion and have the potential to impact or change Ethiopia, to make it a more comfortable place to live.
I'm called Tumsima Isaac, and I'm Member Committee Vice President in charge of talent management or human resources in ISEC Ethiopia. I've been here for 5 months, 5 awesome months, and it has been a very, very nice experience for me. I came here in June, late June, and I've been working to improve the talent management processes in ISEC Ethiopia. I've managed the recruitment, I've managed the allocation and induction of members up to this time in December. It has been a very, very challenging and new experience for me as a person, and I've loved it so much, and that's what I can say about my experience at the moment. It has been about strategy and all that, and it has been very, very great at the moment. Thank you.
My name is Jarrah Fatana. I am from LC Addis Ababa and I am on the project team, and currently I'm the project manager of Experience Health. I am of course a newbie for ISEC, and I've been in ISEC like for a short time, but I can see in myself a big change. My public skills are improving already, my public speaking skills, my people skills are improving, and ISEC is really benefiting me.
My name is Bezavit and I'm an ISEC member and I'm doing team leader experience, and I'm currently the leader of the talent management team. What I love about ISEC is that you get to experience things that you normally in this country you wouldn't experience in a college life. I mean, like, you get to associate with international people and you get to see the world in different views. You get to argue with people and make them listen to your ideas, and you get to be a strong person. And I really like this program so far because it made me fight with myself most of the time, because I had to manage a lot of things. Like, you get busy, but that's life, right? So I think ISEC teaches us to be serious people.
Wow, changes after joining ISEC. The first one would have to be being punctual. Of course, you know, those punishments are ingrained in my mind, you know. I don't want to go through them ever again, you know. And the second one would have to be, you know, competence level, you know. Like, I always wanted to be a more competent person, a person that someone or anybody would rely on to do something, to get things done. And I think I'm going to achieve that goal, that personal goal of being, you know, professionally and personally a competent person. And the third one would have to be my personal conviction, you know, something like you really believe in and you want to achieve it, and you know that gives me purpose in my life, which I really lacked last year, of course, and so I just would like to, you know, show my appreciation to Isaac for giving me this chance, and I hope I won't fail anybody, especially myself, and I'll be working tirelessly to achieve the Isaac's plans and my personal plans to be a better